Chapter 2. Present tense forms. We use the simple present tense when we want to talk about fixed habits or routines, that is, things that don't change. We use the present continuous to talk about actions which are happening at the present moment but will soon finish. Compare these two statements. Present simple. I play tennis. Present continuous or continuous. I am playing tennis. Present simple. I play tennis tells us that playing tennis is something the speaker always does. It is part of a routine or habit. We can call this a permanent situation. Present continuous or continuous. I am playing tennis tells us that the speaker is playing tennis right now. Soon the game will be over. We call this a temporary situation. Frequency adverbs used with the simple present. With the simple present, we use these frequency adverbs. Notice that the adverb comes before the main verb in the sentence. Examples. Always. I always read before I go to bed. Often. Her sister often comes shopping with us. Frequently. Mosumi frequently visits her family. Sometimes. You sometimes go to the gym, don't you? Occasionally. It occasionally rains in summer. Seldom. They seldom ask for help. Rarely. He rarely goes out without his backpack. Hardly ever. I hardly ever eat pizza. Never. Momita never lies. Time expressions we use with the present continuous. With the present continuous, we use these time expressions. Notice that the time expression can come at the start or at the end of the sentence. Examples. At the moment. I am watching television at the moment. These days. Vinay is living in Vadodara these days. Now. What are you doing now? Nowadays. I think you are sulking too much nowadays. The present continuous tense is formed from the present tense of the verb be and the present participle ing form of a verb. Use. First, we use the present continuous tense to talk about the present for something that is happening at the moment of speaking. Examples. I'm just leaving work. I'll be home in an hour. Please be quiet. The children are sleeping. For something which is happening before and after a given time. Examples. At 8 o'clock, we are usually eating breakfast. When I get home, the children are doing their homework. For something which we think is temporary. Examples. Vineet is at university. He is studying archaeology. I am working in Ramnagar for the next 3 weeks. For something which is new and contrasts with a previous state. Examples. These days, most people are using email instead of writing letters. What sort of clothes are teenagers wearing nowadays? What sort of music are they listening to? To show that something is changing, growing or developing. Examples. The children are growing fast. The climate is changing rapidly. Your English is slowly improving. For something which happens again and again. Examples. It's always raining in Shillong. They are always arguing. Vrinda is great. She is always laughing. Note. We normally use always with this use. Second, we use the present continuous tense to talk about the future for something which has been arranged or planned. Example, Bipasha is going to a new school next term. What are you doing next week? Third, we can use the present continuous to talk about the past. When we are telling a story, when we are summarizing the story from a book, film or play, etc. Certain verbs. The following verbs are usually only used in simple present, not in the continuous form. State, be, cost, fit, mean, suit. Example, we are on holiday. Possession, belong, have. Example, Nandita has a parrot. Senses, feel, hear, see, smell, taste, touch. Example, he feels the cold. Feelings, hate, hope, like, love, prefer, regret, want, wish. Example, Juhi loves pizza. Brain work, believe, know, think, understand. Example, I believe you. Introductory clauses for direct speech. Answer, ask, reply, say. Example, I am watching a football match. He says,